boys and girls. How are you doing? Let's go ahead and get started by singing our Hello There song. All right? Can you please stand up, up, up? Excellent. Stand up, push in your chairs, and let's get started. My turn, your turn. Hello there. How are you? It's so nice to see you. We'll sing and be happy that we're all here together again. Excellent. I want you to stay standing, and I want to take just a moment to do a self-check. Let's do a quick feeling check. How are you feeling today? How are you? I want you to look at my wheel of emotions right over here on the screen. And I see happy, tired, mad, sad, silly, sick. So take a minute to think. Are you happy today? Are you having a good day? Are you a little sleepy? I know I'm sleepy. I was up late last night. I did not get enough sleep. Are you a little grumpy? Are you a little mad maybe? What about sad? Are you sad? Are you having kind of a tough day? That's okay. I hope your day gets better. Are you feeling a little silly today? I know sometimes I feel silly for sure. Or are you not feeling well at all? Are you just having kind of a meh sick day? Well, if that's the case, I really do hope that you feel better soon. Let's take a minute to sing our Hola, ¿cómo estás song and check in with our friends. Let's say hi and see how we're doing. Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás? Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien. Estoy estupendo. Estoy maravilloso. Estoy bien. Estoy estupendo. Estoy maravilloso. Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás? Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás? Estoy cansado. Estoy hambriento. No estoy muy bien. Estoy cansado. Estoy hambriento. No estoy muy bien. Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás? Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás? Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás? Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás?
Awesome job, boys and girls. Now, can you please sit down, down, down? Excellent. I'm going to save the freeze dance option for your teachers at the end if they'd like to do that with you. So that will be totally up to them. We're going to do a little bit of rhythm with the love bugs. So the love bugs are here to do rhythms with you, and we have to work as a team to speak our rhythms together so that the love bugs can find each other. So we're going to follow along with the love bug on the screen, but when we speak our rhythms, we're going to use different words than ta or titi or clap. We're not going to clap today. We're going to speak the words sh for the rest or the squiggly line, purple for our 2-sound note or our set of 8th notes with the 2 dots, and red for our 1-sound note or the 1 line with the 1 dot at the bottom. All right, so we're going to watch the screen and follow along with the love bug. Make sure to pay close attention. The love bug is going to count us in with 1, 2, ready, go. And then we will say the 4 notes we see on the screen as a team, and we'll try to get these love bugs back together. Here we go. a little closer. 2, ready, go. Red, red, purple, red. I think we're on it, guys. She's getting closer. Ready, go. Red, shh, shh, shh. Good job, team. She's so close. Ready, go. Red, shh, red, shh. Awesome job. You're so close. 1, 2, ready, go. Purple, purple, red, red. Guys, they came together. Congratulations. We win. Oh, bonus round. Here we go. Complete the bonus rhythm to give the love bugs a special treat. All right, just a quick reminder, we have to work as a team, so try to stay together on the beat. Purple, shh, purple, red. Good job, you guys. They each earned a cupcake thanks to you. Way to go. All right, boys and girls, let's work on pitch. We're going to be doing our solfege and our Kerwin hand signs. So let's do our magical musical hand signs that go along with our solfege. Sing with me, starting here. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Very good job. Let's see if we can go down. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. All right, let's try that one more time a little bit faster. Using the hand sign on the side. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And back down. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Very good job. Let's sing some wacky do, re, mi. Follow along with our hand signs. Do the best you can. Mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Sol, mi, la, sol, mi. So, mi, la, sol.
Alright, boys and girls, I'm going to put on a little happy and uplifting background music, and I'm going to share with you a special story that I love, particularly around this time of year, because we've had a lot of fun this week with Valentine's Day being on Monday, and we got to give a lot of people Valentines, and in music class we are doing some partner dancing this week and next week, and sometimes when we have a lot of things where we focus on having a partner, and maybe a partner doesn't want to be with us, or maybe we have friends that want to give us Valentines, or they didn't give us Valentines, it's always important to think about others and also check in on how we feel. Maybe we wanted a Valentine from someone that we didn't get a Valentine from, or maybe we didn't want to be partners with someone in our partner dance, or maybe we wanted to be partners with someone but they didn't want to be partners with us, or maybe we were just on the playground and wanted to play and they didn't want to play with you. I know I felt like that before. That's kind of how this porcupine feels in the story. And I know for sure that I have felt like that porcupine before. I wonder if you've ever felt like that porcupine before. Have you ever wanted to play with someone that just didn't want to play with you? Well, let's see how this porcupine feels in this story and see if you've ever been this porcupine before. This is a story called I Need a Hug by Aaron Blady. I need a hug. I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Lou? What? With those spikes? Get away from me! Shoo, shoo! Porcupines aren't so cuddly, I guess. I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Ken? Help! It's that prickly thing at it again! I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Joe? Cuddle you? No, I won't. No, 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 no. That's kind of sad for Porcupine. No one will hug me. That's not very kind. But hey, wait a minute. You've all changed your mind? He looks like a happy porcupine now. They look like they're all running back to him. Wait, they've all passed him. Gosh, all I did was ask for a kiss. Well, isn't this lovely? Yes. How about this? So, boys and girls, that porcupine had a happy ending. And sometimes, even when you feel like the porcupine of the story, there's always a snake out there waiting for you. I hope you all have a beautiful day and happy music. Bye until next time. Mwah! Love you, miss you, see you soon. Bye, everybody.